YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. You already know this. My channel, Mr. It's Your Beach. If you're new to the channel, you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, hit that subscribe button, like, comment. All the above. All right, do me a favor, 4 likes if you don't mind. Appreciate it. Thank you. As you see, already unboxing all that. Ain't even no build up or nothing like that. Pause if you have to on the build up. I got the cherries. Definitely got the cherries. Pause if you have to on that as well. But I'm waiting on my second pair. I did get these joints. Haven't had a pair since 2000. Well, obviously since they came out in 2009. And the pair that I did have started getting the sole separation, and you already know the half. Once I kind of make any rumbles or put a sneak to the side, I'm really about to send them joints down to DR. Send these ones. I dare you. You know what I'm saying? I dare you.
You fucking try me. Think you got the point?
But anyway, yeah, man, finally got these. I actually hit on the Foot Locker app and did get a pair for shiz. I definitely got that pair coming through. But yeah, shout out to Foot Locker. Y'all ready? And shout out to the homie that bigged me up out that joint. Yo, my bad. I was just locked in, focused on getting these joints. What's up? You know, I don't know. You know what I'm saying? It takes me a minute, you know. But anyway, yeah, man, finally got them. Man, nostalgia. For real. These are a basic sneak right here. There's no loud design or anything like that. Just the whole makeup of this sneak right here. Kind of like sets it off, sets the tone. But I'm definitely a fan. Red is like my color. Definitely. And I just like what they did with these 12s right here. Well, in general, I like what they did with them. Let me know, did y'all cop them joints? I didn't even look on the sneakers app. I was thinking about getting a third pair just for the military discount and then trade them joints in. You know, act like I'm taking them back just so I can get the military discount and get them on here, because Foot Locker don't be showing no love on the MIL, you know what I'm saying? But it's all good. But anyway, man, yeah, got these joints. Let me know, did y'all cop?
Yeah.
So anyway, man, here we go. Here go that Jordan 12 sole right here. You got your herringbone traction right here, outlined by the cherry red translucent sole. Then in the middle, you got that carbon fiber, all zigzaggy-ish, white and black. Black herringbone sole right here. You got your little white section right here with 23 numbering. Then you got your Jumpman at the toe. Love this, because even at the front, you get a little hint of that Jumpman. But yeah, the Jumpman is black right here. Anyway, now we're gonna take it to the medial side. First thing that stands out to me is the red sole. Get that red translucent sole right there. You see hits of that carbon fiber right there as well, white and black. Take it up to the mid panel. You got your red, kind of like, I'm gonna call it speckle, dot print, whatever. Yeah, you got that going on right here. You got your plastic surfboard right there in red, white midsole that you definitely got to keep clean. Take it to the upper, you got that leather, speckly pattern right there. Nice white tumble leather on the upper as well. One thing I love about these are the seams. For some reason, it reminds me of like some type of Japanese type style. It's an image that I got in my head for some reason, and it just gives me that vibe, for real. Anyway, boom, you got your eyelets right there, and 2 lacelets at the top with the Jumpman logo. These are not metal, they're plastic. And finish one more eyelet at the top. Got that nice tumble leather on the white upper. Now we're gonna take it to the lateral side. The side that gets all the what? Boom, lateral side, bam. You see hits of that red translucent sole right there. No carbon fiber spotting on the lateral side, but you got your 4 grooves right here. White midsole that you definitely gotta keep clean. Plastic surfboard right there with the Jumpman lettering. You got another little padded part right here with the indented speckle going on. Cherry red leather speckle right there. White tumble leather wrapping around, and then you got your seams as well. The seams really set it off. Like, I'm not gonna front with you, but anyway, then take it to the top. Another joint that stands out is the silver colored but plastic Jumpman lacelets. Then you got your eyelet at the top. Now we're gonna take it to the toe box. Bam, toe box. Now, wrapping around the toe, you see hits of that sole. You see an extension of the Jumpman logo right there in black. This part of the toe box is tumble white leather. This part of the toe box, you got that lateral cherry red leather protruding into the toe box. Right here, this is something I've heard people talk about, the peaks in certain joints. I mean, cool, yeah, you got a peak right here. But anyway, the white laces that I always seem to forget about, you got the black 2-3 lettering leading all the way up to the Jumpman at the top of the tongue. That's black stitched. Take to the back of these girls. Boom, you see it's that cherry red sole right there. 2-3 numbering in white. You got your midsole right here in white. Damn, then you got your back tab right there. Quality inspired by the greatest player ever. You got your BOGO up here with the red Jumpman logo. Top of the pull tab is black. Then you got your white leather on both sides. Boom. Will he do it? Will he do it? Oh, no, damn. They got rid of the cardboard shoe tree? Yeah, baby. White or red? I haven't looked. It's not gonna be red. I ain't think so. Black.
What's the matter? Something wrong with your face?
Black insole, red Jumpman logo. And if I missed anything, my bad. Shout out to Tech Kicks though. Or yeah. So got these joints. I believe retail on these were $220, but if not, I put that joint up there. I just knew I wasn't gonna be able to get the military discount because I was at Foot Locker. Don't forget, if you are military or a veteran, use that military discount. On the sneakers app if you did get a chance to cop off there. It's never too late. You can check out my video if you want. I'll give you the step-by-step like New Kids on the Block. But anyway, man, let me know. Did y'all cop? Did y'all chill? I don't know if these are sitting. I haven't looked online or nothing. For one split second, like I said, I did go on sneakers and was like, oh, it's 10 o'clock. But then I was like, man, let me just go get my joints to get this pickup out the way so I can deliver y'all the top 5 best on foot in the AM. You already, and that's when you're gonna see it. Speaking of in the AM, into the AM, you already know, Wavy 80 or discount link in the video description below and say. Shout out to the Wave Mob. Shout out to everybody that's been rocking with me, liking, commenting, all that. Follow me on that Snap, follow me on that IG, follow me on that Twitter. That Twitter be. But that's Snups. It's your boy Wavy. You already know this. My channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. Like I always like to say, see you when I see you. Ow.
The definition of fly, that's how I look at you. You stay fly, my niggas.
New York was good. Stand up, it's your boy Max Biggest Brother. I know y'all forgot about me, but I'm back like I left my car keys. Ow.
Young sons don't talk about advise you not to say. Try to jump on my spots, you must got me mistaken. I'm mistaken, where the cookies, I just cook it, how we looking. Them chumps on my block and they all filled with payments. Young ducks on my jock and they all look to take it. But you cook it, where the cookies, I just cook it, how we looking. Oh my God, man, he passed nice, y'all niggas tacky. So my plug once he get ready, he best get at me. Said he had me, hit me fastly, left a packy, now I'm happy. Fight my style alright, don't care, I'm still gon' see me. As I look around, nobody that I see. Let it see, skirts, let it squeeze still. Slice it stored out, nigga beast still. Motherfucker, I'm still a beast though. Call me glue hoe, stick it to the cheek code. I let that thing go, aim it, pop, 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 then I reload. Tell them, tell them, tell them, like a, yeah. Tell them bums leave me alone, cause I'm on my paper route. Friends they come and they go, but I keep that paper round. When them ones hit the floor, girl pick up that paper now. Tell them ones leave me alone, cause I'm on a paper route. I just let my whole steam poppin' cause the hood breeze. Checks is coming in now, I fuck up a good thing, promise you I've been down. Seen all what the hood bring, talking about whole way with all of the white. All day enjoying it and nice. If you ain't got no dope, man, then why you talking, Ain't tryna put me on, man, and I ain't off it. I'm tryna get my babies with daddies, never gave to me. So if you ain't tryna pay me, just let me be. Hit them with a nice floor, this is how the dice roll. Nigga, I am ice cold. They should call me Dice Cube, and I'm nothing like you. Put a thing in like you. Bang. Tell them bums leave me alone, cause I'm on my paper route. Friends they come and they go, but I keep that paper round. When them ones hit the floor, girl pick up that paper now. Tell them ones leave me alone, cause I'm on a paper route. Funny niggas I can never stand by. I promise that career's gonna be on standby. Everybody landslide. Stick you in the morning, put your hands out. Early for that paper like your grandpa. You wouldn't understand. Silly puppets bragging like they changed up. And whether up or down, I never changed up. You should be the same, bro. Plenty bills, we got them hanged up. That itty bitty still leave you stained up. About to switch the game up. Last night I had a beautiful night. Dream about the island on fire. What a beautiful sight. Last night I had a beautiful night. Dream about the island on fire. What a beautiful sight. Ooh, tell them bums leave me alone, cause Tell them bums leave me alone, cause I'm on my paper route. Friends they come and they go, but I keep that paper round. When them ones hit the flow, girl, pick up that paper now. Tell them ones leave me alone, cause I'm on a paper route.
I'm going up. Holla at your boy. I do other things, man. I don't do what y'all niggas do. I don't do what niggas do. I don't watch niggas' money. I don't care. I just do what I do. That shit.